Last week, we went on vacation to visit family in Wisconsin. And on our vacation, we found a really cool thrift store. And at that thrift store, we found mystery grab bags. And we thought it'd be fun to get a few, bring them back, and open them with you guys to see what treasures or trash may be inside.
All right, I get to go first. Let's see here. All right, opening up at the first one. Let's see. All right, we got the Devil's Elixir. That's kind of surprising because I think it might have been like a faith-based thrift store. So we'll see. See what else here. We got some open command strips. Cannot ever go wrong with half-used command strips. See what else here. We got a CD of the Motown Compact Classic, which I guess somebody wanted $2.49 for at their garage sale. Who prices things with a 9 in their garage sale? That's weird. Why would you do that?
I don't know.
Like, whatever. And then we have Praise, Worship, Shouts of Joy. See if that's actually what's in there. Oh, it is. It's a cassette tape.
From the 90s.
Yeah, probably. I don't know what the... Yeah, I bet probably from the 90s. I don't know. Okay. Alright, see here. We got... What is this? A filter whistle. Whatever that is. And then we got some pins. Which might come in handy. At least they don't look chewed on. That's always a plus, right? I mean, I got a bad habit of chewing on my pins, so that's kind of nice. That would have been gross. I mean, half-used command strips were bad enough. And I got whatever that is. I understand it's a Christmas ornament of what? I'm not exactly sure.
I'll go next. Let's see what I got in this girl's gift bag. Okay, I got a little sack of some sort. 2 books. Easter by Glade Giblins. Stay away from strangers.
Always good advice. Always good advice.
A doll clothes. A doll car.
Hey, that car's sweet.
Whatever this is.
Oh, I know what that is. Watch this. This is a straight up 90s toy.
Yeah! And then a shirt hanger thingy.
Oh no, that's for like putting
for
a
clothes.
mannequin for your doll clothes.
It's like Barbies.
Oh, you know what we could do? We could put doll clothes on there and take pictures to sell on eBay.
Ha! It does work.
Maybe we saved the best for last.
Oh, you're saying you don't want half-used command strips?
Probably not the best one.
Probably the
Well,
worst.
just get after it. Just get after it.
A cheap frame.
That always comes in handy.
20 miniature lights that are clear.
Are they actually in there?
They actually are. Whether they work or not's the question. A little house.
Yeah. For birds.
Somebody made with popsicles.
Someone made a heart. Another heart.
You got the Valentine's Day that. Because look at the house had hearts too.
And I got a whole bunch of random beads.
Why did they put that in a women's sack?
I don't know why this was in the women's, but I got a bunch of beads. Maybe they'll come in useful for Kiara to craft with.
Alright, so we actually bought 3 more bags, and I will post that video in the next couple of days, so stay tuned.